It has been moving toward us since before humans existed. The Andromeda Galaxy, catalogued as M31, is the largest member of our local group and the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way, sitting approximately 2.537 million light-years away. That distance sounds safe. It is not permanent. Andromeda is approaching at roughly 110 kilometers per second, making it one of the few objects in the observable universe actually moving toward us rather than away. Most galaxies are racing outward as space expands. Andromeda is the exception, and in approximately 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the Milky Way. But here's what is stranger than the collision itself. When two galaxies merge, the stars almost never physically crash. The distances between individual stars are so vast that the entire event unfolds more like two ghost ships passing through each other. Gravitational tides reshaping both galaxies over hundreds of millions of years into a single, massive elliptical galaxy astronomers have already named Milkomeda. Even more surprising is the scale of Andromeda itself. It spans approximately 220,000 light-years across, more than twice the diameter of the Milky Way. And yet, despite being larger, it may actually contain fewer stars, roughly 1 trillion compared to our galaxy's estimated 100 to 400 billion. Size is not the same as density. On a clear autumn night in the northern hemisphere, Andromeda is visible to the naked eye as a faint smudge near the constellation Andromeda. That smudge is the single most distant object a human can see without any equipment. 2.537 million light-years of open space, crossed by nothing but light. And here's the fact that genuinely lingers. The light you see when you look at Andromeda tonight left that galaxy 2.537 million years ago. It traveled across the void while our ancestors were still learning to use stone tools, and it arrived precisely at your eyes. The Creator built a universe so vast that a trillion-star galaxy fits inside a single quiet moment of looking up.